This is one lucky fisherman. You're looking at two Gerber lock blades. This great one here is my everyday carry. This is a great little lock blade knife, partial jagged edge. This is actually a second one I've had of this exact same model. It's just a good everyday carry. And then here's the other one here. I recently purchased this at a pawn shop. This is also a Gerber lock blade. The number on this one is 1910123A on the black handle there. And this one here, I forgot to say the number on that, but this one is 4661619A. There's a number on that there. Well, actually, you can see this one right there. If you like these little shorts, like, share, subscribe. Two Gerber lock blade knives. Good everyday carry. Affordable. Like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you like. Thank you. One lucky fisherman.